Hi, this is Alex. I'll help you complete your payments. Are you currently on the checkout page?
No, yesterday I could not do the payment. Can we start again from the booking, please?
Hello, you've reached our booking desk. This is Sophie speaking. How can I help you today?
So I want to do a booking for a hotel. Let's say do at 7th of January.
Great choice. Let me check availability for a hotel on the 7th of January. Do you have any specific location or preferences in mind for the hotel?
I just want to have like kind of sea view somewhere, and it should be luxury hotel.
Thank you for providing your preferences. I will check for luxury hotels with a sea view available on January 7th. Let me confirm the details for you. Would you like?
So this way, this is like means you can say it's totally real human voice agent that connects with all the kind of CRM of your business. It connects with your, let's say, Gmail, your emails, your calendar invites, your payment system like Stripe. Everything happens using Twilio and connected with vapi, elevenlabs, and also N10 workflow, because that's a core of it, and it connects everything together, and we get this kind of agent that communicates very well for your business. So I think if you want to get it done, just say hi to me. I'll help you set it up. Thank you.
Options with breakfast included or any other special amenities?
I think that's okay.
Understood. I will check for luxury hotels with a sea view available on January 7th. Please hold on for a moment while I gather the details for you. I found several luxury hotels with a sea view available on January 7th. Here are a few options. 1. Ocean Pro Resort. Room type deluxe. Sea
Let's do
suite.
Ocean Pro Resort, a room type deluxe.
Great choice. Let me confirm the booking for Ocean Tourism with a deluxe sea view suite on January 7th. Before I proceed, could you please provide the number of guests and any specific?
I'll be sole traveler, so I'll be coming alone. Yeah, and you can also book. Let me tell you the checkout date. It will be on 10th of January 2026.
Thank you for the details. I'll proceed with booking the deluxe sea view suite at Ocean Tourism for one guest with check-in on January 7th and check-out on January 10th, 2026. Please allow me a moment to finalize the booking and confirm availability.
So right now it's checking the availability. Now let me see. You there?
Yes, I'm here. Your booking at Ocean Tourism has been confirmed. You will be staying in a deluxe sea view suite, checking in on January 7th and checking out on January 10th. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, please feel free to ask.
Can you send me the payment also on my SMS so that I can make the payment, and and booking can
Hi, this is
confirm.
Alex. I'll help you complete your payments. Are you currently on the checkout page?
Yeah, I was trying to get a link to make the payment. Can you send the payment link?
Sure, I can